Hi there and welcome. Thank you for joining us. Brought to you today by SpokesGuy, One Mission, One Journey, Joint Success. And the reason we're here today is we're going to be discussing using Authenticator apps for secure access with 2MFA. That is, enhancing security through two-factor authentication methods. So, that's why we're here. You're in the right spot. By the end of this, you'll know all about Authenticator apps and two-factor authentication. So let's give you a quick overview of what this is all about. So usernames and passwords alone are vulnerable and insufficient for protecting sensitive data today. Authenticator apps add a critical second factor by using a mobile device for additional account protection. 2MFA improves trust and security by requiring something you know and something you have. Understanding Authenticator apps helps users confidently secure their accounts effectively. Now let's talk about what exactly is two-factor authentication. Well, here's the definition and the purpose. So 2MFA requires two different verification factors before granting access to enhance security significantly. The first factor is knowledge-based, like a password, and the second is possession or biometric-based. 2MFA reduces risks of phishing, password reuse, and unauthorized access, even if passwords are compromised. 2MFA is a best practice standard supporting trust, compliance, and confidence in sensitive data environments. Now, Authenticator apps generate time-sensitive numeric codes that automatically refresh every 30 seconds for enhanced security. These apps do not require internet or mobile network connectivity once configured, ensuring reliable access anytime. Authenticator apps provide stronger protection against interception compared to SMS or email codes in two-factor authentication. And some of the common use cases, these are widely used to secure mail, cloud services, financial platforms, and business applications. So here are some of the common Authenticator apps. Microsoft Authenticator offers cloud backup and extra security features integrating with Microsoft services and enterprises. Google Authenticator provides a lightweight, easy-to-use app generating secure time-based codes without adding complexity. These apps are widely adopted, supported on multiple platforms, and trusted for professional, compliant security needs. So how do Authenticator apps actually work? Well, there's a secret key setup. So the Authenticator apps begin by securely storing a unique secret key shared with the protected service via QR code scanning. The app generates rotating numerical codes using the secret key combined with the current time, refreshing every 30 seconds. And codes are generated locally on the device, preventing interception and ensuring greater security than SMS-based methods. How to download an Authenticator app. Let's talk about it. So users are going to start by opening the App Store on their smartphone and searching for the official Authenticator app. You'll go ahead and download and install the Authenticator app published by a verified developer for security and reliability. You're going to open the app and scan the QR code during account security setup to add the account to the Authenticator app. Now let's look at what the user actually sees when using the SpokesGuy authentication process. So with SpokesGuy, once the Authenticator app has been set up, the verification code is displayed directly on the user's phone screen inside the app. Now, it's important to highlight here that this is not a traditional one-time passcode sent via SMS or email. Instead, the code is generated securely within the app itself. There's no message being sent, no network dependency, and nothing that can be intercepted in transit. The user simply opens their Authenticator app and they'll see a 6-digit code along with a visual timer showing how long that code is valid, typically around 30 seconds. Now, from a sync perspective, this is a key part of how we deliver secure, reliable authentication. The code is locally generated, not transmitted. It never travels across networks, reducing exposure to attacks, and it ensures the user always has access even without signal or internet. So the experience is simple. You open the app, you view the code, you enter it, and you securely log in. So, guys, in summary, SpokesGuy leverages this approach to provide a more secure alternative to traditional OTP methods while keeping the user experience quick and straightforward. Now let's talk about why Authenticator apps are more secure. So codes are generated on the device locally, preventing interception during transmission. Authenticator apps work without internet or mobile signals, ensuring reliability in low connectivity. Also, apps reduce phishing risks as attackers cannot reuse codes without physical device access. And Authenticator apps are essential for secure, compliant, and trustworthy technology strategies. And finally, we want to wrap this up with key takeaways and best practice. So let's go over this. The summary is right here, guys. You want to enable two-factor authentication. Users should activate 2MFA on all critical accounts to enhance data security and prevent unauthorized access. Protect mobile devices. Protect devices with PINs or biometric locks to secure access and prevent misuse if lost or stolen. Secure recovery codes. Store recovery codes safely to enable account recovery in case devices are lost or replaced. And enable backup features. Activate app backup to support account recovery and maintain continuous access to secured services. And there you have it. That's going to wrap it up. Thanks so much for joining me and understanding why using Authenticator apps for secure access with 2MFA is so important and understanding all about the sync authentication process. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a lot, and we'll see you next time.